We are Filipino by design. Our roots have attuned us in promoting agricultural sustainability through sheer Philippine ingenuity. We are driven to progress. Back in 1997, our group of less than 20 staff and field employees had to face financial limitations and market concerns where we had to prioritize funding only in select areas. Armed with only 2 products and constantly anxious over unguaranteed success, we faced industry giants coupled with an unpredictable and overcritical market. This is why reaching 25 years is not due to a stroke of luck. Our founders focus on their dreams to support the Filipino farmer set up his entrepreneurial goals for a sustainable livelihood. Our vision of a developed society is rooted in an agricultural system that thrives amidst calamities and global pandemics. Thus, we collaborate and cooperate with groups that share the same goal. New opportunities excite us. Every day, we discover new opportunities that expand our capacity for growth. In our earlier years, we founded Leeds Environmental Health Products Corporation and Leeds Animal Health Corporation, which are agriculture-related companies that cater to markets beyond rice and vegetable farming. Prime Stocks Chemical Corporation and Golden Prime Stocks Corporation focused on streamlining the production and selling of high-demand products. By our 20th year, we decided to serve different aspects of the farmer's value chain. We started Leeds Tech Corporation for agri-machinery, Leeds Agri-Ventures Corporation for the production of quality seeds, and Leeds International Corporation to address rice consumer demand. The year 2020 saw us reach unprecedented heights when we surpassed 2 billion pesos in sales. This encouraged us to widen our reach and tap into the real estate industry through Malveda Properties and Development Corporation, which is geared towards development programs for smart city living. We take civic duty seriously. We launched Leeds Diagnostics to give back to the communities that have supported us into the company we are today. We are excited to launch our medical missions and outreach programs that will be accessible to even the smallest farming communities anywhere in the country. From a small company initially overlooked by the industry and that barely hits their growth targets, we now have more than 300 employees serving over 1,000 agricultural dealers and distributors, which equip millions of Filipino farmers with the right tools and technology nationwide. With an experienced portfolio that covers multiple industries, we continue to expand the dream started by Filipinos for the Filipinos.